Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel and Lifestyle with Nazo. I hope everybody is doing really well. So today our video is gonna be about a lesson that I'm gonna teach in my classroom about ways of transportation. So preschoolers are very they are very curious about different things. So I taught them a unit on continents. So I was like, let's extend it and show them the ways of transportation and also the ways to travel from one continent to another continent. So I created activity myself. I do things myself and I laminated them so that they have hands-on activity to work on, to learn about it. So let's go in my classroom and let's see how I'm going to teach them this lesson. And it can be a very engaging activity because it's a hands-on activity. So let's go and move to my class. Today our unit is going to be on ways of transportation. Alright guys, how many ways of transportation are there? Three. What is this one? Air, water, land. And then we have different things that we use for transportation and we are going to put them in different areas where they go. And then we are going to use our ways of transportation to see how do we travel between the continents or from one city to another city. So let's find out what we use when we travel by air. What are we gonna use when we travel by air? Good job. An aeroplane, where should aeroplane go? Right here, very nice. When we travel by land. Very nice.
Bus.
Good job. Buses go on the land. Very good choice. Okay, we travel by water. A boat. Very nice. We use boats or ships to travel by water. Very travel by air.
I need to do
Good girl. Yes, we can use hot air balloons to travel by air as well. Very good choice. To travel by water. A big ship. A good choice. Very nice. Okay. To travel from North America all the way to Asia. What can we use to travel from North America to Asia? Which type of way of transportation are you going to use? By air. Because we have ocean in the middle. Let's fly it.
use a boat.
Or we can use a big ship. Yes, let's fly it from North America to Asia. It's gonna fly like this.
There's another
Very
one.
nice. From one city inside North America, what are we going to use? If we want to go from Nashville to Chicago, how can we go?
What time
How can we go?
from my
Be on the continent map. Here is North America. Here is Australia. How can we travel from North America to Australia?
We can use it
By air or
or helicopter.
by water? Yes. So we can fly from North America all the way to Australia.
Or we can ride the boat.
Yes, or we can go on the ship. Very smart. Good job, guys. Travel by air. What are we going to use? By air. This is by air.
Is it almost my turn?
Yes, almost your turn. Good job. If we have to travel by water, what are we going to use if we have to travel by? Good job. Okay. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed the video. You saw me teaching the unit on ways of transportation to my 4-year-olds. I used some visuals to teach them so that they can have, the information imprinted on their minds. So the 4-year-olds or the 3-year-olds, they really need visuals to learn because it helps them to memorize things. So let me know if it was helpful for you. I hope it's helpful for the stay-home moms or the people who have toddlers at home. I will see you in the next video with something more interesting. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and do press the like button. It's gonna help. Take care, keep smiling, spread positivity. Bye.